Hello everyone. Welcome back to Purple Code. In today's video, we're going to learn about Java inheritance. So, let's get started. In Java, inheritance enables us to create a hierarchy of classes, where the child class inherits the properties and behaviors of its parent class. For say, we have a parent class animal, which have properties like sound and eat. Now we have another class, dog, which inherits from the parent class, animal. It will also inherit the properties, eat and sound, of the parent class animal. Let's see an example. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Happy coding!